MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on the Rive platform. I've combined few indicators together to come up with this Forex trading strategy. This strategy can be used on any time frame. Please just make sure you follow the simple rule and do check Forex Factory before you take any trade. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I would like to show you how to use these simple indicators that I've combined together, and this is made for MetaTrader 4. You can use this particular strategy to trade any indices you want to trade, like US 30, US 100, UK 100. You can use this to trade Meta, you can trade silver, you can trade gold. This can be used to trade cryptocurrency, any pair that you want to trade, either ETC, USD, BTC, USD, and the likes. So you can use this to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doji, any crypto you want to trade, and this can be used to trade stock like Facebook, Amazon stock. So as many as you have on your MT4, you can use this to trade any forex pair you want to trade. Having said that, let me explain how to use these simple indicators that I've combined together. Number one thing you have to look out for are these moving averages. What you need to look out for are these moving averages, these two moving averages, because they have to cross before you consider the other indicators in the indicators window. Now after that, you have to consider this indicator. This is RSI indicator, and this for a sell, it must cross below this 50 value. It must cross below this 50 value, and for a buy it must cross above. And the last indicator I have here on my chart work almost like a RSI. And the number one thing you have to look at for this indicator: for a buy, it must cross above 50, and for a sell, it must cross below. Now let's look for a signal generated by this strategy, and let's see how it plays out. Here we have the two moving averages crossing at this particular point for a sell, and this cross below 50, and at this point this cross also. So this is a valid signal for us to take. And when you look at this particular point too, this is about to cross, but let this candle close before you take this trade. The RSI is above 50 already, and the last indicator is above 50 here already. And this is a good signal that we have to wait for and let the candle close before you place your trade. The candle must close before you place your trade. This is a good setup for a buy also. And let's check the previous signal that was generated. We have a sell signal generated here. RSI crossed below 50, and the last indicator here crossed below 50. So this is a good sell signal. Here is a buy signal. Here cross above RSI 50, and here is above 50 also. A good signal generated, and it deliver. Your stop loss is going to be few pips below the previous low for a buy, and for a sell few pips above the previous high before the signal was generated for a sell. And let's move back a bit and see how it play out. Here we have a buy signal here at this particular point. RSI above 50, but the last indicator did not cross above, so this is not a valid signal and it didn't deliver. Here we have a sell signal here, cross below 50, cross below 50, a good signal generated here. And this is how to use this indicator. You can use it on any time frame you want, either on 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. You can use it on any time frame you want. Here is it on 1 hour. Just make sure you follow the simple rule on how to use this particular strategy. This strategy do work well, and I've used it to make some money today using this particular strategy. Let me show you my history. At least I've made like 34 today using this particular indicator. Make sure you try it out. In my video description I drop some links to the broker that I do use that do not have any challenge with them. In my video description you see some links to Forex brokers that I do use. You can register with any of the broker that you like or that is allowed in your country. Make sure you practice on demo accounts, know how this work well before you go live. Make sure you do that. Practice and practice and practice. Get used to this indicator. It really work well. I have tested it out and it work well. So make sure you do that also. Try it, and if you like it, you can go live using this particular strategy. You do not need to combine with any indicator. This work very well. It did work very well. Make sure you check it out. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. I did include my template so that you have the same setting like mine. I do not want to go over all the indicators setting one by one. So make sure you download the indicators and download the template also. It is free. If you have not given me a thumb up, kindly do that. That is all I need from you. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.